It's Friday, June 2, and I can see that that's been installed, the motor for the gate. You can see how it works. And they're doing some more work on the electronic lock for this door. And we're getting ready to install the motor for the gate there. The doorbell intercom camera. Go ahead. Look at that. We have the first gate. Telescoping gate. That's okay, Marty. And it opens completely. It's another quick decision. We're going to add more dirt over here. We need grass on the other side of the driveway, and I want more dirt over here. So we're going to we get the other side leveled. We're going to take this grass and transplant it on that side, raise this up another couple of inches, and then add more grass over here, so it's much more level and not quite so much below the driveway level. This is the security camera. We'll put the monitor out in the bedroom, but this is what it looks like. There's a question about where to mount the other monitoring system, that shows all the cameras, and they said we couldn't put it there. This is right by the kitchen, because we couldn't get the wire there. And I asked them to try real hard, and lo and behold, they tried real hard and they got the wire. So we'll have the monitoring station right there next to the intercom. The intercom and an alarm system for the master bedroom. It's Saturday, June 3rd. It's a little rainy today. I came out here to try to install the cover for the pool, and this is the first try of it. See how well it works. I did roll it up okay, but let's unroll it. You can see it tucks in there very nicely. Here's the strap, and the instructions say to walk into the pool. Don't pull it along the way, and then pull it from the middle. That's a long strap. I'll have to It's kind of hard to do this and hold the camera at the same time. Not that hard at all. There it is, and I'll just fluff out the ends. And it's covered. Little smileys in the way. That was simple enough. Now I'm gonna roll it back up. A little jerky because I'm holding the camera and rolling it at the same time. Boy, this is really simple. I'm gonna put it in my teeth. Very simple. And I just take the straps and put them there, and it's all rolled up. That's really, really simple.